Hello traders. In this video, I will share my simple strategy with you guys, how you can trade those counters which open gap down. So this is the trade which you can see on screen, Tata Chemicals. I took this trade today, Tata Chemicals open gap down. I managed to short this counter in morning at 9:25 and I exit at 9:05. So roughly you can say I made 20 points gain per share. So let's try to understand the setup behind gap down opening. First, let's discuss what gap down opening basically means. See, when stock price open below previous day low, then it is known as gap down opening. Now, there will be, some reason. That's why share price open gap down. There would be some, negative development. So the reason for Tata Chemical was uh, earnings announcement. Okay, yesterday this company announced quarterly earnings, and because of that, you can see we got the impact in this counter today. It directly opened below previous day low. Now let me take you the graph of Tata Chemicals. So this is the intraday time frame, 5 minutes time frame. You can see this counter yesterday made a low of 994, and today you can see in morning at 9:15 this counter directly opened at 957.95. So this was the huge gap down opening which you can see on graph. Now, as a trader, it is very important to recognize whether this gap down is likely to sustain or not, because sometimes, what may happen, even after opening gap down, price will recover. Okay, lower levels may not sustain. So this is very important. As a trader, we should recognize after opening gap down whether this gap down is likely to sustain or not. So for that, what you need to do, you need to visit 5 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes time frame, you need to focus on first candle. Here you can see this is the very first candle. Now, after opening gap down, we want open equal to high formation in very first candle. This is the condition you need to look for. The very first candle must have open equal to high formation on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this is very important. Entire setup is based on this condition. So if you wish, you can write down somewhere. On the day of gap down opening, on 5 minutes time frame, the very first candle must have open equal to high formation. Now, open equal to high formation indicates bears are strong, sellers are active. That's why even after opening gap down, price is not going above opening price, which indicates sellers are active. In Chemicals, if you see, open and high of first candle is not ditto same, but we can say that they are almost same. Opening price, I can see it is 957.95. High price is 958.75. So yes, open and high both are ditto same. Sometimes open and high will not be ditto same. They will be almost same. So in Tata Chemicals, you can see open and high both are almost same. Now, once this condition is satisfied, what you can do, you can plan short trade in those counters. So how to take a short trade? On 5 minutes time frame, if price break first candle low, initiate a short trade. Okay, I repeat, if you wish, you can write down somewhere. Once open equal to high condition is meet, what you can do, you can go short once price break first candle low. In Tata Chemicals, first candle low, you can see it is 925.35. So we need to initiate a short trade once price break 925.35. Now, what will be your stop loss? Your initial stop loss will be first candle high. Okay, 958.75 will be your stop loss. So this is how you need to enter in this trade. Go short below first candle low, first candle high, stop loss. Now let's talk about target. How to decide target? See, target will be range of first candle. So here I can see the first candle range is almost 33 points. How to calculate range? High minus low. Okay, first candle high minus first candle low. You will get the range. In Tata Chemicals, you can clearly see the range is almost 33 points. Once price break 925, your target will be 33 points down. So this counter you can see has given its target. I can see this counter has made a low of 884. So more than 33 points fall you can see we got in this counter. So this is how you guys can trade this setup. This is very simple setup, works most of the time. This setup I have directly picked from market profile subject. Okay, market profile is a very vast subject. So those guys who do intraday trading, I'm sure you might be aware of market profile subject. So from that subject, I have picked this setup for you. I used to teach this setup in my webinar. If you have learned this setup from me, do type in comment box if you are practicing this setup in live market and trading on this. Whenever you guys learn any new setup, my advice will be always trade in cash segment and practice with small account risk. Once you gain confidence, you can increase account risk. Meanwhile, when you are practicing, make sure your account risk should be very small. Let me know in chat box if you like this video, like this setup. Do hit like button and do share your thoughts on this, how you find this setup. Thank you.